Hi, BoomerTECH Guide Chris Toy here. Here to talk with you about charging remotely or while you're on the road. So sometimes we boomers are traveling and we have our mobile technology with us and we find out that, oh my gosh, I'm running low on battery and I need my maps, or I need my GPS, or I need to take pictures and or video, and I'm running out of power. So what to do? Well, here are three options. I have a little power pack here, and this one here is very portable, very lightweight, and all you need to do is you charge this up before you leave at home using just a charger in the wall. And then when you need power, what you can do is just take your charging cord for your iPhone or your iPad even, and you can just plug it in. And if it charges, what will happen is you'll feel a little vibration, and then the little battery indicator in the upper right hand corner will turn green, and there'll be a little lightning bolt that lights up. So these small batteries are actually pretty powerful. This one here has it's rated at 5200 milliamp hours. And that means, roughly speaking, it would charge my phone probably 6 or 7 times before it needed to be recharged. So this would last you, you know, for quite a while if you are out hiking. I've used it in the White Mountains for, you know, a week at a time without any problem, with plenty of power left over. If you are going on a longer trip and you needed more power than that, here's another battery, and size doesn't mean everything, but in this case it does. This one was 5200 milliamps. This one here is 18,000 milliamp hours. And it works the same way. You would charge it up at home, plug it into the USB, and plug that right in. This is a little bit heavy. I wouldn't take it hiking. And then, once again, we get a little vibration, and the green battery lights up with a lightning bolt. What's great about this one here is that if you have a full-size iPad, this will take care of that, probably, you know, in the order of, you know, 10 or 15 full recharges of a full-sized iPad. It also has the capability, although I don't carry it around anymore if I were hiking, this can actually charge and work your laptop, your Apple laptop, if you have an adapter. So this is a pretty powerful battery. It's a lithium-ion battery. So what if you're really going out in the woods and you're going to be there for a couple of weeks or longer, and you don't want to carry this heavy battery? Well, this is very cool. This was given to me as a present by my son Cameron. This is a solar charger. So these are solar cells. This is an 8-watt charger, and same deal. You just plug it right in here and plug it in, and it starts charging right away. So this won't charge as fast as these, but this will charge continuously all day. So what you can do, this has some little loops, and what you would do is you would hang this on the back of your backpack, while you are hiking, or you could kind of leave it in the window of your car in the sunlight, and you'd be able to charge your iPad, your iPhone all day long. And obviously the more sun you have, the more charging you would get. But this one here is one that will give you continuous power as long as you need it. So there you go. If you're going to be a BoomerTECH road warrior, you've got some batteries, backup batteries, recharging, and you have the solar charger. Thanks for joining us.